guys, my name is Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I wrote a travel blog called Where To Now Jenny. It is always linked in the description box below if you want to check it out. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what is in this handy little charger bag. So I should preface this video by saying I'm sort of an overpacker when it comes to cables and cords and chargers and all of that. If I brought my Beats headphones, I brought a cable. If I brought my iPhone, I brought the charging cord. If I brought an iPad, I brought a charging cord. And even though all three of those things use the same type of charging cord, I still had 3 cords, which was completely unnecessary. So I've been on a mission to try to consolidate the technology things that I bring with me. If I'm bringing a camera, I only want one charger for that camera. And if I'm bringing a camera that uses the same type of charger, I'm still only bringing one charger. I have to tell myself I can only charge one thing at a time. I have been on the hunt for the perfect case. And previously, I've been of the school of I bring all of my charging cables in a charging cable pouch. You may have seen in a previous video, I had a little pouch, it had all the cables in it. But then, on the flip side, I was also bringing a camera bag. So I would bring my Canon camera charger, my vlogging camera. I would bring the charger to charge my GoPro, and all of that was in a separate bag. So I'm trying to get to a point with my packing to where I only have one bag of chargers. So no matter what I'm looking for, no matter what cord I'm looking for, adapter, any of that, it's in one bag. One day I was perusing the YouTube, as one does, for ideas on how to consolidate, and I came across a video of someone's travel tech bag, and at this time I do not remember who it was. I'm completely sorry, but they had one of these little roll-up travel cases, and I thought that is flippin' genius because it holds everything that I need to take with me. And it's very compact and slim. You can see it doesn't have a very big footprint. So even if I'm doing vertical organizing in my carry-on bag, it's gonna slide in and stay really neat and compact. Let me go over to the table and I will give you a closer look of what's inside. Let's take a closer look at exactly how this bag is laid out. It's got one large zipper pocket, 2 slip pockets, 3 little pockets right here, little mesh pockets, and then place to put cords. And then these 2 pockets are separated by a seam. So you can keep different things in each side. Let's start over here. So this side I have anything little, little lightning cables, the adapter for the headphone adapter for my phone, little micro USB cables, anything that doesn't really fit, any cord type thing that doesn't really fit into this area right here. In this pocket I have an extra battery for my GoPro, 2 extra batteries for my vlogging camera, and then an extra SD card. Stick that back in there. This section is pretty self-explanatory. I've got 2 long lightning cables, one for me, one for my husband, and then I've got 1 cable to charge my Apple Watch. In these little pockets, I've just slid some extra SD cards. You never know when you're gonna need an SD card or when one is gonna go corrupt, one is gonna run out of space. I've just got all different sizes and all different types in this area right here. In this section, all I have is the charger for my Canon camera, my vlogging camera, and in this little pouch, I have my AirPods. So in case I run out of juice, I have extra earbuds for myself and my husband. Then I have just a couple of lens cleaning wipes for my camera, and then this little aluminum case holds more SD cards, micro SD cards, so I don't lose them in the mess of all of this. Then that zips up, and then this folds, it rolls up, and this slides around like this, and you just tighten it up, and then it's one compact, handy little case. All right, so that is everything that is in my travel tech bag. If you figured it out from this video, this means that I have started packing for my cruise on the Norwegian Sun. It's a 4-day out of Port Canaveral, and we are going to celebrate my birthday. So we leave probably by the time you see this, we will already be on our way to Port Canaveral. So the next video after this will be my pack with me for that cruise. If you want to follow along on our cruise, you can follow me at Where's To Now Jenny on Instagram. That's probably where you get the most real-time updates and pictures of the ship. It's a new ship for me, so I'm excited to go on it. Other than that, I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.